Hello guys, so I have been using Cloudbeds for a while now, and honestly, it has become one of those tools I cannot imagine running my hospitality business without. The first thing that hooked me was how clean and modern the interface feels. Yet it is simple enough that even a new front desk staff member can pick it up quickly. The design is intuitive, which is a huge plus when you're onboarding new team members or dealing with high turnover. The browser-based system means I do not need to install heavy software, which also saves valuable system resources on my devices. Plus, with its integrations to Booking.com, Expedia, Airbnb, and many other OTAs, managing channels in one place has saved me hours every week. This integration streamlines the entire process of managing bookings, reducing the risk of overbooking and ensuring that my property gets exposure across multiple platforms without any extra work. The calendar view is a lifesaver for keeping track of availability and prices. It allows me to see everything at a glance and quickly make adjustments if necessary. I also love how the guest database stores histories, so I can see exactly who stayed, when, and how they booked. This feature has been incredibly helpful in providing personalized experiences for repeat guests. For example, if I know a guest prefers a specific room type or requests early check-in, I can easily pull up their history and accommodate them. The Cloudbeds Amplify program also gave my bookings a nice boost, which is great because it enhances visibility across multiple booking channels. The booking engine itself is both beautiful and very easy for guests to navigate, offering a seamless experience from search to checkout. I've noticed fewer abandoned bookings and more direct conversions since switching to Cloudbeds, which is a big win. That said, it is not perfect. The loading speed can be frustrating sometimes, especially when you are face-to-face with a guest and waiting those 10 or 20 seconds for a page to refresh. When you're in a fast-paced hospitality environment, those moments of waiting can really throw off the flow, especially during peak check-in times. I also wish the system allowed merging duplicate guest profiles without paying extra. If you've ever dealt with duplicate profiles, say a guest making multiple bookings under slightly different names, it's a bit of a headache to clean up. The reporting options feel a bit too complicated when I just want simple, clear numbers. For a busy manager, spending time navigating complex reports can take away from other important tasks. I'd love to see more simplified, customizable reports that show just the essentials, without digging through layers of data. Managing multiple rates is tricky too, since everything is tied to the standard rate, which makes it less flexible for corporate or special negotiated rates. If you work with corporate clients or have specific pricing for certain groups, the current structure can feel a bit rigid. More flexibility in rate management would be a great improvement. I would also like a built-in maintenance log instead of having to connect a separate tool. Keeping track of maintenance requests or room repairs is essential, and having it integrated into the system would help with efficiency and communication. Currently, I use a third-party tool for this, but it would be much easier if it was part of the Cloudbeds platform. Additionally, a few email template limitations make communication less customizable than I would like. For instance, not being able to fully customize the templates for booking confirmations, reminders, or cancellations is something I've had to work around. More flexibility in email templates would really enhance communication with guests. There have been small hiccups, like guest emails sometimes being delayed, which can be awkward when time-sensitive confirmations are involved. If you're dealing with last-minute changes or urgent guest requests, quick and reliable email communication is key. Delays can cause frustration for both guests and staff. Still, the positives outweigh the negatives. The onboarding process was smooth, and the help desk team is knowledgeable and genuinely helpful. Whenever I've had a question or needed assistance, they've been quick to respond with practical solutions. I appreciate that the platform keeps adding integrations for small to mid-sized properties, especially anything under 50 rooms. This is important because smaller properties often struggle to find tools that cater to their specific needs. Cloudbeds is continuously evolving to meet those needs, and it's clear they're committed to making the platform more user-friendly and efficient. I think Cloudbeds is a fantastic choice. It is intuitive and powerful enough for daily operations, and once you get used to its quirks, it really does make hotel and booking management a lot more efficient.
For a business that needs to scale without constantly adding new software or systems, Cloudbeds is a one-stop shop that covers it all.